Hello, welcome. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. If this is not your first time here, I thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for your support. Please continue to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and be a part of the family. Today, I'm going to do some Jamaican Toto. Yes, we call it Toto, or Jamaican coconut cake. Yes, normally, how the Toto come about, the coconut trash that you use from your coconut for the rice and peas, instead of throw it away, you use that and mix it up with flour and baking powder, and you add a little ingredients and you make the Toto. So along the way we add some little twist to it and all that, but it's still Toto. So we're gonna make some Jamaican Toto. Stick around with me while we make some Jamaican Toto, Sister J's way. Here I have 4 cups of flour. It's already sieved. So I'm gonna add the dry ingredients in. We're gonna need some nutmeg. We're gonna need some ginger. We normally use the fresh ginger back home when I used to see my mom do it, but I don't have the fresh ginger right now, so I'm using the ginger powder. Okay, we're gonna use some cinnamon, ground cinnamon, some vanilla essence, and we're gonna use brown sugar, coconut milk, coconut flakes or coconut trash, and right here I have 1 cup of whole milk. Here I have 2 eggs. I already removed the eyes. And I have just a tablespoon of melted butter. It's required 1/4 cup of butter, but I'm not using all that butter. So it's just Sister J's way. All right, so let we continue. So as I said, I have 4 cups of flour in here. It's already sieved and it's all-purpose flour. Here I have a tablespoon of baking powder. So we're gonna use a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. One teaspoon of ground ginger. One tablespoon of nutmeg. We can use the fresh nutmeg too that we grate, but I'm using the grated nutmeg, okay? The ground one, I would say. Yes, so we're just gonna save this. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the sugar. I'm gonna add 1½ cup of sugar. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with the coconut flakes or coconut trash. If you don't have the coconut that you grate, it's okay to get the flake that you buy. So just combining all the dry ingredients. The difference with this is not like the regular cake, like a pound cake where you have to cream the butter and the sugar and all that. No, we just rub up everything. So I guess maybe that's why they call it Toto. Yes, just rub up everything. So now I'm gonna come in with my 2 eggs. I didn't beat them yet, I just removed the eyes. So now I'm beating the eggs. Now my tablespoon of butter. I'm using the plant-based butter. It doesn't matter what butter you use. So now I'm coming in with my coconut milk. Okay guys, so the next thing I'll be coming in with is some vanilla essence. This I just pour some, just dash or pour some, but that's like about a tablespoon. Okay. Guys, normally you put a teaspoon of salt in this. I'm not putting any salt in mine, okay? So in my Toto, I put less butter and I minus the salt. But you can put 1/4 cup of butter and you can add a teaspoon of salt to that. So now it's ready for the pan. As I said before, my oven is ready and my pan is greased. So now I'm gonna pour the mixture in. Okay guys, so the cake is ready for the oven. So guys, I'm gonna leave that for 45 minutes. When we come back, we'll have some Toto. Sister J. Okay guys, it's time to take our Toto out the oven. It's 45 minutes. Wow. So guys, what I normally do to test to make sure it is done is you can use a knife, but what I do, I use a toothpick to test it. So you put it in the middle, down, and when you come up, it should be clean. So it means the Toto is ready. Okay guys, normally we should make it cool before we try to cut it, you know, because we don't want to burn ourselves up. That's number one. And then when it's too hot, it will break up also. But we're still gonna try. Here I have a knife. We're gonna try to cut this Toto, okay? Wow. Guys, look at it. There you have it guys, our Jamaican Toto. Simple and easy. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and be a part of the family. Take care of yourself and loved ones. God bless.